Hi everyone, welcome back. In the last two videos, we learned about VPC and Subnet. We also performed a demo on AWS. If you want to watch the last two videos, you can find the link in the video description. Now, in this video, we are going to cover more important component of AWS VPC. Let's first talk about the route table. What is route table? It is the main component of your AWS VPC that will decide where the network traffic from your VPC subnet will be directed. Route table contain rule or you can say route inside it to direct the traffic. Let's make it little easy. In the last two video, we correlated VPC with a house and a subnet with room inside it. Then what is route table? To answer this question, you have to tell me how you move around the room inside your house. Let's say you have to go to the room on the first floor. How do you go? The answer is you will take the stairs, right? And if you want to go to the supermarket, you will walk on the road to reach there. Now, these are the routes for you to reach from one location to another. Similarly, if you want your resources to communicate with one another or with the resources out on the internet, then you will have to create route. And you can create routes by using AWS VPC component route table. Now, I hope you have a good understanding on the route table. We will also perform a demo in this video, so don't worry. Now, let's talk about another important topic of your AWS VPC, that is Internet Gateway. Now, what is Internet Gateway? An Internet Gateway is a VPC component that allow communication between VPC and the internet. It can also be used for NAT purpose, but we are not going to talk about that in this video. Let's make it simple. Let's imagine you are living in a house that doesn't have any front gate, just walls. That means you can't go out and no one can come inside to talk to you as you don't have front gate, right? Now, what if you want to go out and you want other people to come in? You will have to create a front gate that allow you to go out and come inside your own house. Now, internet gateway is a kind of front gate to your house or to your VPC, sorry, that allow the communication between your VPC and internet. Without this, your resources can't talk or reach the resources on the internet. So I think now we have a good understanding on route table and internet gateway. Now let's learn how to create a AWS VPC on AWS console. You can say it's a time for a demo. Now let's go ahead and open AWS console. Here we go. Now you can see here I'm on the AWS console and I have VPC tab open here. This is the VPC that we created in the last demo and the subnet. Here we go. Now if we click on the route table, you can see here there is a one default route table created for us. Now when you create a VPC, there will be a main route table entry for you. You can see here main route table. This will be created for you. This route table will be attached to your VPC and will be associated to all the subnets. You can create a new route table if you want to do that. Here we go. You will click on create route table. You just need to provide the name and then you need to attach it to a VPC. After that, you can associate with any subnet. You can also click on the route here. You can see here the route. By default, there will be local entry for your VPC. That says if you deploy resources inside this VPC, these resources will be able to talk one another over a private network. You can also add more routes. You can see here add route option. Now let's click on Internet Gateway. Now when you create a VPC, Internet Gateway doesn't come by default. You have to create one. So let's go ahead and click on Internet Gateway. Here we go. We just need to provide the name to the Internet Gateway. Let's go with the name. ICM gateway and let's click on create. Now you can see here Internet Gateway ID and the status is detached. First of all, we need to attach it to a VPC. Let's attach. Here we go. The VPC that we created earlier. Attach the VPC. Now your resources are not going to use it until you defined it in the route table. So let's go ahead and a route table entry here for the Internet Gateway. Now edit routes. Now I want to say anything that want to reach to the internet, that means everywhere, will use the Internet Gateway. Here we go. Save route table. Now we have two route table entry here. The first one says anything inside the VPC will use the local target, and anything else they will use the internet gateway. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.